Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, my remote class. I hope you are all fine and doing great. Last time I talked about the G1 phase of cell cycle, and today I shall take tutorial on S phase. S phase is known as synthetic phase. It is also known as post G1 phase because it is happening after G1 phase, and as it is happening before G2 phase, so we can also give a name that this is pre G2 phase. Now let us see why this name synthetic phase is given. It is called synthetic phase because in this phase DNA is synthesized, or we can say DNA is replicated. Now as DNA is replicated, then we can also say that DNA is not naked in case of eukaryotic cell. It is bound with the histone protein. Now what is histone protein? It is actually a DNA packaging protein. DNA is getting doubled, that means replicated. So along with DNA, histone protein, it is also getting doubled. One thing you must keep in mind that the amount of DNA is double in case of S phase, but the number of chromosomes remains same. So we can write it down like this: the quantity of DNA is doubled, but the number of chromosomes remains same. If the quantity of DNA is 2C, then after S phase it becomes 4C. Here you can see the quantity has doubled, but the chromosome number remains same. For example, the chromosome number in G1 remains same in S phase. It also remains same in G2 phase. That means chromosome number remains constant. There may be a question why chromosome number remains same after S phase. The reason is very simple. The existing DNA molecule acts as a template and synthesize new DNA. For example, here we can consider that there are 3 chromatids. So chromatids are 3 in number, and so does the chromosome. Chromosome number is also 3. Then we will find that means we are getting new DNAs. This is happening in G1 and this is happening in G2. That in G1 number of chromatids is 3, thus the number of chromosomes is also 3. Here you can see in G2 phase the number of chromatids has become 6, but the number of chromosomes, content of DNA, is 10 picogram in G1 phase. Then it has become 20 picogram in G2 phase. That means after S phase the quantity of DNA has become doubled. What we have learned today, let us sum up. First, DNA gets doubled or replicated or synthesized. Secondly, histone proteins get doubled. Number 3, chromosome numbers remain same. And fourthly, centrioles get duplicated in cytoplasm. Now these centrioles help in making mitotic apparatus during cell division. So this is all about the S phase of cell cycle. If you like my video, then do like and share, and see you in the next video. Thank you.